Mr. Cruz, are you lost, sir?
What I gotta do to play?
Mr. Cruz, you do not want to know the answer to that question. Now, as I was saying, as a team, we shot 56% from the line. From now on, before you leave my gym, you must pay an exit price of 50 made free throws before you can go. That's everybody.
That's a lot of free throws.
Okay, Mr. Cruz. Before you can play on this team, you owe me 2,500 push-ups and 1,000 suicides.
Damn.
Oh, and they must be completed by Friday.
He ain't finishing that by Friday.
Today's flavor, offense.
Now we're talking.
Now I have a sister. Her name is Linda. Linda is smart. She's political. Well, actually, she's radical. Linda's got a big afro. Linda is our pick and roll offense. Before we get into that, let's warm up. Give me a layup line. Let's go.
Battle.
I got him right here, I'm open. I'm open. Over there, right side. Come on. Let's get it. They call out them picks. Yeah. All right. D up. Move up.
Give up, Mr. Cruz. Go home. You know your task is impossible before Friday, right? Move! Work it! Run it back! Clay. Mr. Cruz, I'm impressed with what you've done, but you came up short. You owe me 80 suicides and 500 push-ups. Please leave my gym.
I'll do push-ups for him.
You said we're a team. One person struggles and we all struggle. One player triumphs, we all triumph, right?
I'll do some. I'll run suicides too.
Fine. Let's keep count. Call me when they're done. Come on. Let's groove! Good D, boy. Let's go! Move!
9 seconds left. Go to war, Miss Margaret. This is a tight one.
Let's go! Linda! Watch the pick! I got ball! Stop the ball! It's not there! To the hole! Watch it!